Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing for what's inside this box, which I'm going to have to hold in a very particular way due to the fact that there's an address on the bottom and my address on the other side, so it's going to be very difficult to go through the process of unboxing it. But what's in that box is what I would refer to as a Grail. If you don't know what that is, it's completely fine. Grails mean different things for different people, and for me personally, it doesn't really come down to the price, it comes down to almost like saying the principle. You know, if it for you personally is something that you have sought after for a long duration of time, then that can come under the term Grail. Now, whilst the value of this is not something that's like the highest in the world, it's mainly due to the market, but overall it is something that I have longed for and sought after for quite a duration of time. But without further ado, let's get straight into this, and maybe down below let me know what is a Grail for you. Maybe you've already got it, maybe you're looking to pick it up at some point, maybe it's a different brand, it's completely fine. Just let me know. Now, I wanted to be a little bit different with this unboxing, to be honest, which is why you probably won't see it for a little bit of time. See, today is actually the 11th of October. However, I don't think I'm gonna upload this for quite some time. Now, the reason for that is because a few weeks ago, I picked up a jacket from Supreme. I was really looking forward to it. I thought, oh my God, this is amazing. It looks great. It has all of the details and just everything that I like about a jacket. However, when it arrived, although a lot of you were so positive, which I greatly appreciate because it's really helpful and it is nice to be given styling tips or to be told different things that might help me, it just wasn't for me. So over the last week or so, I have been looking through to see if there's anything anywhere, and somehow, like 4 days ago, I just stumbled across what's sitting behind me. It was just random. It just popped up on the feed. I wasn't going through Marketplace or anything. I was just on Facebook and there it is. Now, I did try to haggle, as most people do, but that went nowhere in the end, and I just paid what I paid. I did notice on the box though that they did pay more for shipping, which I do appreciate that because it has got quite a weight to it in the end, I'm not going to lie. But without further ado, let's just open this up. Like I said, obviously it's a little bit difficult to open. I'm having to make sure that I don't show anything, basically, when it comes to this. Okay, we're in. So, oh my God. As you can see, it's safe. It's the safest way to phrase it. But if we open this up, there it is. So, oh my God. Oh my God. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So you might be wondering, what is this? This is a Supreme Shot hooded jacket, which I am so happy about, or hooded shearling, as when you search it up. So basically, a Grail for me for a long duration of time is the Fall Winter 14 Shot jacket piece. You can find it on Supreme Archive, you can find it on Grail, you can find it on a majority of websites. And if you go onto Grail, you will actually see the piece that I was actually going to be buying from somebody, which I can throw the messages up, a number of years ago when I bought my Supreme Leopard North Face Nuts. Because I was basically in between going for the Leopard and this jacket, and the only reason I went for the Leopard in the end is because the jacket on Grail, the deal just fell through, and that was due to shipping, which is a complete pain from America to the UK, even back then, even more so now, I would believe. God, this weighs a lot. I had gone back and forth with somebody on Grail for a number of times, and yeah, it was something that I truly sought and I truly wanted because I thought it looked amazing, but it just didn't pan out, and that's probably for the best in the end. Not for them, because they were really nice and they are a really kind person. It's just unfortunate that it didn't pan out, but because nowadays a large just would not fit me. However, this is a small. I was expecting that to slide off, I'm not gonna lie. There you go. Now, this being a small, you might think, oh, that's a bit of a close call, basically, but it's not, because they sent me all of the measurements, which was amazing, so thank you so much for that. They're definitely not watching this. But yeah, they sent me all the measurements, which is just amazing because it's something that I am very, you know, avid, I suppose would be the word for it, about, is getting measurements correct, because after the Supreme jacket fiasco, I don't want to go through that again. So yeah, this is it. Oh my God, this is so cool. It is, that's quite heavy, I'm not gonna lie, I've never had one before, so that's quite heavy. And I'm glad that it's not that glossy look that you see. This is probably or most definitely what I'm going to be wearing the majority of the time with it. Maybe my Palace long sleeve might also work with the grey with the black on it, but this is probably what I'm going to go is like a double layer, and then hockey jersey is like the second layer in the end. But let's go over this piece and throw it on because I am so looking forward to this basically. Now it's a very simplistic look, it's a very simplistic design and everything in the end. As you can see, it's got a lovely hood as well, which I love. 4 buttons going down that are going to be for opening and closing, 2 pockets. They open in a weird way, but anyway, 2 pockets as you can see, and let's get it open to go through the rest, obviously, of it. And then you have the classic, obvious, like Supreme little tag that's just on the pocket. Now this jacket originally retailed for £1,100, which is so much money, which is why I say that I'm glad that the timing and the market is what it is, because I would not have been able to pay that nowadays. Let's be realistic. I haven't been able to buy any of the like jackets or pieces that have been coming out from Shot that I really love and I think are nice, purely because of the fact that the retail is so high. However, when you have your eye on something that is a Grail, you know, the Fall Winter 14 or Fall Winter 15 piece, it becomes a bit easier because nowadays a lot of older pieces on the market just don't hold their value. This retailed for 1,100 or 1,098 in the end, and I did not pay that at all, which is why when I tried to haggle, it didn't really go that way, because I was just like, oh, would you? And it's like, no, this retailed for a lot more, and I'm like, yeah, I understand. So let's open it up and take a look. Now obviously you're going to have a really basic interior. One of the pockets you've got like leather going on right there, and then we've obviously just got a little tag which is clean by leather specialist only, which also says the style, the RN, and shell, real fur, genuine dyed sheepskin, and Turkey. Hold on, most of their jackets are vegan nowadays, aren't they? Okay, anyway, and obviously you've got another pocket on the other side with a zip, which is kind of cool there, but then we've got this little style here, as you can see, which obviously tells you what to do. Going on to the actual tags that you can see, yeah, it is a size small, and I'm doing all of this before even putting it on, so I have my hopes up heavily with it, don't I? But yeah, so the pockets on the inside are very different, these 2 leather ones, or the pouches, I suppose. One's got a zip, one doesn't. And let's, oh my god, the moment of truth. Oh my god, yeah, 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 love it. Oh my god, that's great. Oh, that's such a comfy fit. Oh my god, that's lovely. That's so good, that's so good. Oh my god. Great. Okay, so I've moved you back a little bit just so that you can see and take a look, obviously, at how it is. Probably the majority of the time I will be wearing it like this, not like buttoned up and such. If I button it up, it will probably be because it is going to be extremely cold, but let's go ahead and do so anyway. If you want to know any measurements or sizing, I can put up what they obviously sent to me and what they like showed me in the end. And obviously for myself, I'm 6 feet. I do not weigh the most in the world, so you could already figure that out realistically. But I will be honest, insofar as Old Supreme, it just fits better, like it really does. So yeah, this is not wanting to button with me. Right, there we go anyway. A little bit tight on the neck, not gonna lie to you. There we go though. Oh wow, that's so comfortable. Oh my god, yeah. Look at that. Now, compared to the fit of the other jacket that I had, you've got to agree this is so much better, right? Like realistically, this just works with me way better. And that's nothing against the other jacket. It's a really nice piece, it's solid, it's great. But it's just that I was looking for a winter type piece to have in the end. And this just suits that completely, like honestly. So yeah, I couldn't be happier, I can't lie. I really could not, like look at this, like come on. I need to send them a message saying thank you because this is great, and because of the fact they paid more on shipping. So they've really helped me out here and helped me get a piece, now own a piece, and I will keep this for well, I'm keeping it, that's it. That is a Grail, because this is something I've always wanted, a shot jacket, whether it was the Fall Winter 14, the Fall Winter 15, or a couple of others along the way. I feel that the brand in general, when it comes to this type specifically, is just like peak, basically. But yeah, this video might not be out for a little bit of time, like we're only on the 11th of October, but I feel that I'm going to save it for like towards Christmas time, because I'm hopefully going to start uploading shorts, and maybe this will be one of the first short form content that I do, so I'll have to like cut this down into a minute by some miracle. But yeah, I'm going to be spending a little bit more time editing and working on my videos, and hopefully making them just a bit cleaner. Maybe that's changing the titles, maybe that's doing a couple of other things, but yeah, that is what I'm hopefully planning to do towards the end of the year, just because I feel like it's just something that's better. And for those who watch the videos, which I really appreciate, I feel like you deserve the same me, but just more time spent on editing, because that's just, you're putting the time to watch and comment and things, so I feel that I should put in some more effort than what I do. So yeah, but anyway, I'm really happy with this, it's great, and yeah, I'll stand up so that you can get like, you need to come up, don't you? But yeah, there you go. You've got me. Maybe I'll cut this to the side, and this is what you'll see me standing like this as part of the thumbnail, but yeah. But anyway, that is going to cover this video, so thank you for watching. Like I said, let me know down below whether or not you've picked something up recently, or just anything in general that might be a Grail for you, or something that you're looking to for the future. And yeah, that is all I have to say. So I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and if you'd like to, you can click on one of the videos that is suggested here, and yeah, that is going to cover it from me. So I'll see you all next time. Peace.